Hi guys, so today I am making another juice for my dinner. Now you've seen the mango juice. Today I'm doing watermelon because obviously in the summertime we have loads of watermelon in the store. So today I am making watermelon with some ginger for my, well, to eat at my dinner. Okay, so stay tuned. At the moment I've put some watermelon and lemon. I put half a lemon. I think I might put another half, the whole of it, but I put half a lemon and ginger in there, and I'm gonna blend this up and you will see. So stay tuned and we get it going. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's too much water in there, it's leaking over, but that's. Hi guys, so I'm doing watermelon and ginger with lemon, and I think I put too much water in it. I am so sad. So here is the watermelon, and here it is. So I'm gonna just put in the strainer and just sieve it out in my bowl, and then put it back and then put it in the jar. Okay, so that's I don't know if I need to put more lemon in there. I'll check and tell you. Okay, so I tasted it and it was okay. Okay, so this is the bits that left. Again, I'm not making a smoothie, I'm just making juice. Okay, so that's the bit that's left, and this is the so there's not much in there. So I think it's good to go in the jar. Just stay through. So there is the juice. The juice is right here. All I need now is some ice to go inside of that, and we're good to go. I hope you enjoy my melon and ginger juice.